Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Brown color, brown color. Green color, green color. Black color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for ant. The alphabets of A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. The alphabets of A. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids again use yellow color and draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids now draw J. J for jackfruit, J for joker. The alphabets of J. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. Kids again use black color and draw N. N for nest, N for nose. The alphabets of N. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use red color. red color. Kids again use red color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Alphabets of P. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen. Alphabets of Q. And use blue color. Blue color. Q for queen. Kids again use blue color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R. Kids now draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. The alphabets of T. U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And again use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. Kids again use green color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The last we draw Z. Kids today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.